Oh, that's where my gloves went. Whew, it is cold out here at Patriot Contraption Studio. Winter's right around the corner, and I'm doing my preventative maintenance on my John Deere 37A snowblower. This is for my 214. If you want to see the video of how I attach it to 214, there'll be a link right after this one. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be going over everything I grease and oil and check on the snowblower, starting off with this turret. Let's get to it. Starting off at the back of the snow thrower's chute, I removed these two screws. Underneath they revealed two brackets. The lower bracket is threaded, and between it and the upper bracket is a steel cord that directs the direction of the snow being thrown from the chute. Once this setup and a duplicate setup in the front of the chute is removed, you can then take the chute off, and I liberally greased mine to ensure that it's not going to seize up in the middle of the snowfall that's to come. After greasing thoroughly the rotating part, I also greased the top bracket for reassembly. And you can see here that metal cord is going to get threaded right in between that first bracket and the second threaded bracket to ensure that it's not going to move anywhere. And we'll tighten that down and test to make sure everything works. And as you can see, I've got mine turning quite well, and I must say it turns a ton better now that it's greased than it did before when it was all rusted. Moving over to the side panel of the snowblower, I removed 3 bolts. 2 on the front, 1 on the back, and these reveal a kind of unique chain setup, I thought anyway, and I greased the bottom and the top rotating pulleys, and sprockets is the technical term, I guess. Sprockets, and then I went ahead and liberally applied WD-40 to the chain, which is kind of rusty. I almost went ahead and replaced it, but in this case I'm just going to liberally WD-40 it, and it'll be fine for this snow season. Then we're going to move to the back and look at the setup that brings the belts into the snow thrower. Okay, so the last step is I've removed a bolt up on top of this cover, and there's some pulleys in here. There's the one up on top, and just put some grease on there. There's this one that needs grease, and then there's also right down here, you can see that needs grease. So if you really want to pull this cover off, you can take out the bolt at the very bottom too. I'm not going to do that because I can't fit my ratchet under there, but this will give us a decent job, and that'll be it. Okay, so that wraps up the video. As you can probably tell, I'm getting cold being out here. It's about a little less than 30 degrees out here right now, and I don't have the heater on. So if you enjoyed this video and want to show appreciation for my time shooting it, please subscribe. It keeps me motivated. I'm really trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers right now. Just be the world to me. Also, if you enjoy all sorts of cool homemade videos, just check out my channel. I have a lot of uploads up there. I think I'm over 160 now. So thank you very much for watching this. Have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions signing out.